In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make numbered headings and subheadings in Microsoft Word. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Word tips. Start by going to the top of Word and clicking on the Home tab. From there, look inside the Paragraph section and click on the multi-level list icon. Now select Define New Multi-Level List. In the window that appears, make sure Level 1 is selected on the left, then click More at the bottom left to expand the options. On the right side, go to Link Level to Style and choose Heading 1. Then under Number Style for this level, select the simple 1, 2, 3 style and ensure the formatting shows something like 1 for your main headings. Next, switch to Level 2 by selecting 2 on the left side. Again, go to Link Level to Style and choose Heading 2. Then in the Enter Formatting for number box, clear what is currently there and set the number style to 1, 2, 3 as well. Before the number, type 1 or whichever level format you want, and then go to Include Level Number From and select Level 1. This makes your subheadings appear as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on. Once everything is set, click OK. Now, when you apply Heading 1 to your main titles, they will automatically number themselves. And when you apply Heading 2 to subheadings, they will follow the correct numbering structure. This makes your document clean, organized, and professionally formatted. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Microsoft Word guides.